Hello, in this video tutorial I would like to show you how to make this openwork square. It's very nice to use it in scarves, shawls, openwork blankets, hats, or any other project you wish to make. For the work I will need a yarn from a cable dew by Filter King, 50 grams, 175 yards. It's 100% mercerized cotton, and crochet hook from Tulip 1.1. Let's start. We make magic ring. Put our crochet hook under the cross, grab the working yarn, remove fingers and secure it with a chain. Now work 12 single crochet into this ring. Insert the hook, bring up the yarn, make single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Grab the short tail and pull to tight the ring. Now we need to join. Find the chain, the first loop we just made it. Remember to secure, insert the hook and make slip stitch to join. Now we can tie the ring even closer to make it almost nothing. 3 chain to bring up the yarn. Now we will make puff stitches. We will make 12 puff stitches with 5 chain arch between. To make the first one, we made 3 chains. Now yarn over the crochet hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, bring up the yarn, work only through 2 loops. This is unfinished double crochet. We will make another one into the same stitch. Also work only through 2 loops. Yarn over and work through all 3 loops at once. This is first puff stitch. 5 chains between 2, 3, 4, 5. Another puff stitch into the next loop. Yarn over, insert the hook, work through 2, do not finish. Yarn over, insert the hook, work through 2, and third unfinished double crochet. Now we have 4 loops on a hook, yarn over, work through all 4 loops at once. This is another puff stitch. 5 chains between 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch and make another puff stitch. It's also called 3 double crochet cluster because it consists from 3 unfinished double crochet with the same base and the same top. Continue till the end of this row. 5 chain arch and 3 double crochet puff stitches into each of loop. We will make 12 of them, and see you over here. I'm about to finish this row. I made 12 puff stitches with 5 chain arch between. Now I need to make last one. But to join the row and start from the middle of the arch, I will show you how to finish this row another way. Make 2 chains. Now we will make double crochet into the third chain of the beginning of this row. Either you put your hook over here, or I prefer to work under these 3 loops by making double crochet. In this way it will be unnoticeable joining for this row, and I will be on the top of the arch because I need to start my next row from the top of this arch. Now we will make 1 chain to bring up the yarn, and next row we will do 5 chain arches and 1 single crochet into each arch. 1 chain we made instead of the single crochet. Now 5 chain more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total will be 6, only for first arch. Single crochet into the arch, 5 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet into the next arch, and continue 5 chains and single crochet into the next arch. Continue till the end. This is my last arch, and now I need to join this arch with this one, and again I will finish to join it with invisible joining 2 chains, 1 double crochet into the first chain we start this row. Work under 2 stitches of this chain. In this way this joining will be unnoticeable. To start the third row we need to make 1 chain to bring up the yarn. Now we will make from this round motif little bit square motif. We will make 5 chains arches, and in 4 corners we will make the similar puff stitches with 1 arch in the middle. Make 5 more chains, 3, 4, 5, it will be 6 in total. Now making a corner, puff stitch into the arch, also 3 unfinished double crochet under this arch, 5 chain arch between 3, 4, 5, another puff stitch into the same arch, second unfinished double crochet, and the third unfinished double crochet. Yarn over, work through everything. This is the corner for our square. Now make 5 chains, 3, 4, 5, single crochet into the next stitch, into the next arch, sorry, 5 chains, 3, 4, 5, single crochet under the next arch. This is the side of our square. Now we need to make in this arch the same corner what we've done over here. 5 chain between 4, 5, 3 double crochet cluster under this arch, 4 loops on a hook, work through everything. 5 chains between 4, 5, another puff stitch into the same arch. One side and 2 corners are ready. Continue the same way till the end. 5 chains between, single crochet under the next arch, 5 chains between, another single crochet, 5 chains, and we will make the third corner the same way. Five chains, I'm about to finish my square. I made 4 corners and 4 sides. Now I need to finish again. To finish it, I will make 2 chains and 1 double crochet into the first chain, work under 2 loops. See, 1, 2, 3, work under 2, make it tight. See, also invisible joining. Now cut the yarn, pull up the tail, hide the tails, and use it in your project. check the description box and I will save a link for you how to make half of this square triangle, because sometimes we need triangle motifs, the same patterns but different shape. I will leave link under this video. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and have a wonderful and pleasant day. Bye bye.